Shaquille O'Neal and Peter Guns. From Motown to Yo Town, good night. George, where's your Tommy dog?
Put your hands together. This is a story of famous dog. With a dog that chases his tail will be busy. Let me hear the clapping dogs, y'all.
Demonic dogs.
Nasty dogs.
Street dogs.
Horny dogs.
Dogs of the world unite. Hit it.
Put your hands in the air.
Tommy dog. Atomic dog. Atomic dog.
Put your out there walking the street. Make compete.
Nothing but a dog.
Nothing but a dog in you. What'd you say? Let me hear you say it.
Bow wow wow, yippee yo, yippee yo, bow wow, yippee yo, yippee yo, yo yo.
A dime dog in a tall-back society ain't your average huckleberry hound.
Like that.
Nothing but a dog, yeah.
Oh, here we go, y'all. Mama side feel like that. Nothing but dogs in me.
Come on.
Mama side feel like that. Mama side. Nothing but dogs in me.
Nothing but a dog.
Get it.
Mama said, feel like that.
Yeah.
Nothing but the dog in me. Nothing but the dog. Yeah. Mama said, feel like that. Mama said, change the cat. Nothing but the dog in me. Hey yo, you can bring that dance a little more. Let me feel this real quick. One time for your mind. One time, just give me the groove real quick. Bust around, go and make you move and smooth. Me and Flip Mode, yes, we up in the place. Bust around, Missy and Shaq, dog is in your face. Bigger Parliament, yes, we coming through wicked. Showing you we get busy, yes, you know I'm gon' kick it. Rampage, Lord have mercy, baby sham. Ride Digger, Split Star, you know who I am. Flip Mode, yes, we in the place, LA. Coming through with Parliament, Funkadelic every day. We all up in your face, so put your glasses on. Bust around, getting busy till the break of dawn. What you talking about? Hey, open your mouth. Put your hands where my eyes can see. Show them out. What we doing here? Yo, we having a good time. Bust the rhyme. Each and every time. Check it out. Yeah. Flip Mode. Up in the place. You know we got the Morse code. Rampage. Touch me down. One time. Let me hear you ripping with the new sound.
I said, yo, here I go. Ramp Lieutenant. Been in the game like Tony Bennett. Yo's in the man when I take it to the street. Flip Mode, shot, Pete, fuck, we got heat. I'ma have to do it again, once again. Rampage known as the true champion. I told y'all, Alexander Cranberry. Flip Mode squad, big shot, legendary. I'ma have to do it, one time do it. I knew y'all knew it, now roll away. What must I that, I take the cat. Flip Mode squad is in here. Flip Mode squad is in here. Yeah.
Flip Mode squad is in here. Flip Mode squad, baby, rockin' in the house.
Flip Mode.
Yeah, bust it. Kinda shit go against the grain like smoking on a train. I'ma play G.I.J. rugged terrain, honey flicking. Damage your stats like you bulls without pimping. Stay dipping on your back like Kipling, sipping tequila roses. Used to do narcotics flipping. Ain't trying to be a San Quentin. Out catching dogs with my man George Clinton.
Alright, y'all minutes checking. Hey yo, knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. Yo, this ain't nothing but a microphone. Don't stop, I'm not finished yet. Y'all say I'm not the Shaq, y'all wanna make a bet? The game recognize game, y'all fools better recognize my name. I'm not saying I'm unbeatable, I'm untouchable. Metaphors grab like ball constrictor. Check diesel will reflect on in any project sector. Even the ballpark figures, y'all can't describe this. Enthusiastic, rich like Jigger. I bet your girl likes this tall human being. You can't check.
Monday night at 8, UPN keeps you laughing with guys like us, Duresta, Desmond Pfeiffer, and Malcolm and Eddie. Monday at 8. Now, stay tuned for Wild Things, next, only on UPN 9.
Your mouth, you'll get smacked. They don't call me the man of steel.
Can I get a
I'm big enough
witness?
to touch something and break something.
I need a witness.
Get a witness.
Can I get